Hi, today we are going to see demo for Traffic Squad PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Let's go to the Visual Studio. First explore the traffic folder. Then you can see the addressing files and the source codes. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the login details and URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the Traffic Squad web application. First log in the admin. So enter the admin ID and password. Now login successfully. Now we can see the admin homepage. Admin will be manage a police officer modules. So first go to the division. Here we can add and update the departments on this page. Then click on the city. Here you can add the city list on this page. So enter the city name and click on the create city. Now you can add the city list. Then you will update and delete the city list. Then go to the reports. Here you can see the all complaints reports on this page, and then you will search the division wise. You can see the reports. Then click on the add user. Here you can add the police officer ID on this page. So enter the police name and email ID. Then give the password and mobile number. Next enter the login ID. Then select the type and select the department. Then give the rank ID and police station ID. Then give your address. Then click on the submit. After you create the officer ID, go to the user. Here you can see the all police details on this page, and then you will update and delete the information. Then click on the categories. Here you can add the new complaint categories on this page, and then you will update and delete the categories. Then click on the street. Here also you will add the street and update and delete the street list. Select the city, then enter the street name, then create the street. Next we will move for the police login. Enter the email ID, then password. Now we can see the police homepage. First go to the create FIR. Here you will create the complaint FIR files on this page. So select the case type, then enter the complaint name, then enter the email ID, then mobile number, then address. Then you can see the officer division, then enter the date, then place and penalty. Click on the submit. Now FIR will be created successfully. After you create FIR, let's go to the view FIR. Here you can see the all FIR's details and you will update the vehicle photo and the person photo. So click on the vehicle photo, then choose the file. Then submit. Next, update the person photo. Choose the person photo, then click on the submit. Now update successfully. Next, go to the live traffic. Here you will update the traffic details on this page. So select the city, then street, then select the traffic level. Then give the map Google Map link. Next, you can view the live traffic details on this page. Next, we will move for the user. We have to sign up. Go to the public register. Then enter the given details. Enter the username, then email ID. Then password. Then give your mobile number. Then enter your Aadhaar number. Next, select the type. Then select the division and city. Then give your address. Then click on the submit. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, the length of 8 digits. Then click on the submit. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your user ID, then password, then login into the user homepage. Now you can see the bubbling homepage. First go to the My Challan. Here you can see your case details on this page. You can see the case type and complaint, then see the date, then you will see the penalty amount. Then go to the live traffic. Here you will see the day-to-day traffic updates on this page. Then my profile is used to edit your contact details. That's the whole traffic squad PHP web application.